How to heal your eyesight naturally. Ever wanted to heal your eyesight without having to go through any invasive procedures? The science behind naturally healing your eyesight has shown us that you can train your brain to repair your eyes. First advice. Don't get your eyes checked in a store that sell glasses. Simply because the machines at that store are not accurate. Surveys have shown that the accuracy of eyesight measured for eyes checked in the stores that sell glasses as compared to a doctor in a real clinic is off by more than 40%. Your eyesight varies from day to day, from year to year. Some studies on children found that a child could naturally move from short-sightedness to far-sightedness, year over year. But here's what happens if you pick that particular slice of time, where your eyesight is, say for example 0.25, and you go to an optician and you get corrective glasses for that, it locks you in. So, what you want to do is to go to a real doctor. A true vision checkup could take up to an hour. But in an eyeglass shop, they will do it in around 15 minutes because they want to sell their wares as fast as they can and move to the next customer. So, the first advice is to go to a true doctor in a clinic and never visit a so-called optician in an eyeglass shop. The second tip is that after you get your actual prescription from your doctor, get a lens that is one step lower because as mentioned earlier, your eyesight actually fluctuates. You could be at 0.5 one day when you are really stressed out and after a relaxing weekend, your eyesight could actually improve. Studies are now finding that negative emotional state or stress influences your vision. So, if your doctor tells you that your eyesight is 0.5 myopia, for example, or short-sightedness, don't get a 0.5 lens but get a lens that is 0.25 instead. This will still give you an adjustment, but it also gives you room for your vision to improve. If you get 0.5, your eyes lock that in and your vision cannot correct below 0.5, it has to get worse. So, what's happened is you have effectively created a barrier for your vision to improve. So, always go one step below. This is also one that many ophthalmologists recommend. The next thing you should do is to install a basic eye chart in your home. William Horatio Bates, who lived in the early part of the 20th century, did a study. He would hang an eye chart on the wall of the school classrooms, and what he found is that in classrooms where kids had that eye chart and the teachers were trained to get the kids to go and just look at the chart and see how far they could read once a week, the number of cases of nearsightedness was dramatically reduced. Many schools in North Dakota, where Bates worked, introduced the system in their schools. And there was an unexpected result. The kids actually began to see better than normal. Children, who were having normal vision, were able to read at 20/15 or 20/10. Such was the success. So, you must have an eye chart installed in your home for you and your kids. Another important tip is to sleep in a pitch-dark room. Studies have found that if you allow your kid to sleep in a pitch-dark room without any light coming in from any source, your kids are less likely to develop vision problem in the future. Dark is phenomenal for sleep, and science is showing that it has a correlation with helping kids retain good vision. Now, the final tip is to hire a vision coach. He will help you with exercises which will help you in correcting your vision much faster than how Bates had prescribed 90 years back. As there has been improvement in science, so is that in vision science, and a vision coach can definitely help you in this regard. As you have reached the end of the video, please check out a priceless book on remedy in the link to the description below. Thanks for watching.